Hello everyone, my name is Hilman Alpiana Sidik with study ID number 5012400046. On this occasion, I would like to talk about life. So, when you live your life, you face different situations and you go to various events, and sometimes you have to be able to describe what the situation is like or what the event is like. Sometimes it's good situation, bad situation, even a surprise situation. I will teach you how to describe a situation in English lesson. I will teach you 7 situations in the life that you live. A pleasant surprise. So, the other day, I put my winter coat on for the first time, and I found a 5 bill pocket. It was pleasant surprise. In English, when something positive happens in your life that you weren't expecting, we would describe it by using the phrase a pleasant surprise. It was certainly a pleasant surprise to find money in my coat pocket. I thought maybe I would find my glove in there, but I was definitely a pleasant surprise to find money. Maybe you went to party and you weren't sure it was going to be fun, but when you went there you had a lot of fun. You could describe it to some later by saying it was a pleasant surprise. I had a really good time at the party. So, in your life, when something happens that's very positive, that you are surprised about, you will ask the first, a pleasant surprise, a complete disaster. So, Jen and I went to an older wedding a few years ago, and it rained all day. It was a complete disaster. That's the English phrase you would use to describe an event where things just didn't go well. The wedding was a complete disaster. People go to wed, people were grouchy. The wedding cake got wet, the tent had water on top, and then the water spilled onto a whole bunch of the guests. It was a complete disaster. So, if you are talking about an event, if you are ever talking about a situation where things just didn't go the way they were supposed to, you could use the English phrase a complete disaster, a total letdown. So, a few weeks ago, I went to see a movie, and I thought the movie was going to bad, but I ended up being really bad. It was a total letdown. This English and English phrase we use to describe situation like that. When you think something going to be good, when you think it's going to be amazing, and then when you actually experience in it's actually bad. You might have had this yourself. Maybe there's other worse books you love to read, and that other realizes a new book, and you were really excited to read it, and then when you read it you find out this book is very good. You would then describe it by saying it was a total letdown, better than expected. So, of course, we also have situations where the opposite happens, where you think it's going to bad and it ends up being good. And it ends up being good. In those situations, you can use the English phrase better than expected. This actually happened to me a few years ago. It's a real headache. When things you don't go according to plan, you say it was a real headache. Find in the what. Sometimes in life you do something and it just doesn't go smoothly. It just doesn't go well. In that situation, you could say it was a fine endeavor. It's just awesome. Sometimes an experience is just awesome. Sometimes you spend time with other people and you really enjoy it. You say it was a real just awesome. Thanks you for watching my video. Sorry there are many mistakes because I am still learning to be better in the future.